This graduation season, I'm posting 3 graduation videos. This is the first one. Hi, B-Backers, welcome back. My name is Beth, and if this is your first time, welcome and enjoy. I make and sell these from home, and so can you. My channel is all about saving and making time and money. Learn how to make these and save money for your group. Watch on. GTC, or Generations to Come, is a church ministry that I'm involved in. This year, we are graduating 4 of 30 students. And one of them is my baby girl, my youngest granddaughter. I've already spray painted this board. Today I'm going to show you how I paint the boards. If you haven't yet seen how I set the letters, look in the description box to watch other videos, like Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday, and watch me set the letters. At the end of this video, I'm going to make something very special for the 4 graduating students. Something that they could keep with them forever, but it's personalized so they can't be bought at stores. Watch to the end so you can see how you can make these for your own graduates. The drying time takes about 15 minutes if you don't use a fan. If you do use a fan, be sure you use a small one or the one that's set at very low speed. We don't want those letters getting blown off. Now for the reveal. Congrats, GTC grads. Now let's get working on the special gifts for the 4 graduates. You see that graduation cap? I got that at the Dollar Tree store. 10 of them, different sizes for $1. Here's the second grad. These are personalized and can't therefore be bought at the stores. Also, just one color paint for this board. Let's put this aside to dry up. This one is for the 3rd graduate. The board I'm using is 12 inches. Wouldn't that make the graduates feel very special? It has their name, it has the year, and of course GTC, the group they're graduating from. And this is for the 4th graduate. Let me talk a little bit about GTC, or Generations to Come. It's 2 hours a week. The first hour is spent on Bible studies, where they learn to live out the truths of the Bible. After that, they spend 30 minutes reviewing. They review what they've learned with young adults who've also graduated from the program. And then finally, 30 minutes of play fun. All kinds of sports games. Now let's reveal the first board. What makes these boards so special, you ask? Other than it has their name and the year? Well, at the back of this board, they can ask their friends to sign. These boards last a long time. For many years, they'll remember the day they graduated from GTC. They'll remember their GTC years and the kids who were there. Enjoy the music as we reveal the others. If you're interested in saving money by making these for your family, friends, and group, if you're interested in making money by making and selling these from home, let me tell you what it took for me to start. It was a $50 investment, and all I bought were 3 materials. The paints, 5 cans of paints, the letters that I'm using today were letters I purchased 2 years ago, and the boards. I invite you to watch other videos that shows how I set these, paint them, and also talks about where I shop for these materials and how much investments it cost. Find the links in the description box below. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, like, and ring that bell to be updated on future videos. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Till next time.